These are like my video notes, so, oh my God. See, I do research. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I got ears on because I did this makeup look. So you'll see that I've been revisiting an oldie but a goodie, which is the It Cosmetics. This one is Naturally Pretty Romantics, and this is an all matte palette, and I've been pairing it with this Tarte Make Believe in Yourself. They have a new one out that has some of these similar formula, so it's awesome. But anyway, you'll see that coming up. And today, I wasn't going to do this, but I'm like dying to try out. I've got a bunch of straight wigs and I'm dying to try them out. The last straight wig that I got from this company was awesome, so I just can't wait. This is from the Janet collection, and this is Miss Maggie. She is an extended part lace-based deep part wig. I wonder if that's, yeah, it's a lace parting, not just a lace front. You can see right there. So it's like a really deep lace parting, but it's not a lace front wig. She does have baby hairs on her. I have her in the color Mocha Blonde. It's similar to this color. This one is Chico Blonde, but it's more blonde, the one that I have. She's heat safe up to 360 degrees. And I got her from Glamour Trust for $18.24. And this is her. I'm so excited. It's a little bit dry in my house, so she's a little, like, what's the word, staticky, but that's okay. We can fix that. She's definitely a good 20, 22 inches at the very longest. Beautiful layers. Look at that Mocha Blonde. Oh my gosh. Just the highlights and the lowlights in there. Oh, beautiful, beautiful lace parting. I don't think I'll have to pluck that at all. And she does have those baby hairs. So let's try her on. See, look at those light in the back underneath. Oh, love it. She does have two combs in the front, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps. I feel like the last one I wore was a little bit big, so I'm gonna adjust her in just slightly. Give her a quick brush through just to see. Oh, look how pretty that is. Like, seriously. She's a yaki-ish, I'd say light yaki texture. The Felicia wig that I reviewed, she's definitely more on the shinier side than Felicia, for sure. Felicia was really thick and a yaki texture. I like this. I think the color works. Maybe in another color she might come off a little shiny, but you know, you just put a little dry shampoo. I'm not really getting much off her. Got a couple strands. She's straight out of the pack, so that's not bad at all. All right, let's get her on. I'm so excited. All right, what's happening here? Okay. Ugh, the color is amazing. I think if you're a darker skin tone, like this would be a great blonde because it wouldn't be too light and it wouldn't have that sort of, that yellow cast that the platinums can have. Some people really like that. Oh my gosh. I'm already in love. I'm telling you right now. Janet is like, my overall favorite normally is Free Dress Equal, but Janet collection is really starting to, they're starting to creep up. Oh my gosh. Wait till you see the bottom of this. All right, let me get this girl together and then I will talk to you about it and show you everything. All I did was put powder in the part, and I put some hairspray on it because it was a little flyaway. So I think I want to put a little more powder. It was a little flyaway, so I feel like if I put a little free spray on it, it actually just like adheres those fibers together more. I feel like, you know, it from being in the box, it's got a little bit of kinks, and I feel like you could certainly flat iron that out, but I don't want to because I feel like it looks a little bit more natural if it's not like bone straight. The coloring on this is stunning. Look at that. Stunning. I can't even describe. She's a long one. This is all the hair to the back. I did adjust the cap. Now it's fairly tight, so I'd say it could really go for people who like a larger wig cap for sure, because I tightened it pretty good, and it's snug on my head, but it has a lot of room. So I'm 5'6.5". It goes just below my breastal area. I didn't shift the part. I could have. It can definitely shift. I just didn't. I really love these lace part wigs. I think they're so easy, especially like if you're running late or just like going to work or whatever. You can put this behind. So yeah, this is definitely at least 22 inches long. There's a little bit of shedding. Actually, these are attached. It's so long, sometimes it looks like it's shedding, but it's not. This is what the back looks like. Let's look at the movement. All right. I just want to make sure that sometimes if wigs aren't super heavy. Oh yeah, look at that. I just want to make sure there's no wefts showing. Oh my gosh, yes. The color's stunning. I just absolutely love this. You could do a little, just a tuck behind the ear, and then you would expose these sort of blonder pieces. Yeah, this is a nice wig. I'm happy with it. It's gonna get a little tangly for sure. For some people it might be a little shiny. So we can put, I feel like sometimes not only does the dry shampoo help the shine, but just like in our normal hair, the dry shampoo, if it's a little flyaway, if it's a little tangly a little bit, the dry shampoo can adhere to the fibers and give it a little bit of weight. Just so those fibers aren't so tangly or flyaway-esque. Yeah, I'm into her for sure. So that's my review. What do you think of Maggie? What do you think of Maggie? Do you like her? Do you have any of these sort of lace part wigs from Janet collection? Like, I have lace part wigs from Free Tress that I love, so I'm now excited about these ones. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. If you have subscribed, thank you for supporting me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.